Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix Chrome browser error like this. So I am not able to search anything in search bar. So let me try google.com. Sorry, but it's not working. I have a solution for this. Let me fix it. So before the start video, please subscribe my channel and turn on bell icon to get notification for new videos. First, close the browser and right click on Google Chrome shortcut on desktop, then select property, then select target option. We need to add some text here after double quote. So let me write the text space double dash disable dash future is equal to renderer code integrity. Let me verify disable futures is equal to renderer code integrity. Okay, it's perfect. So select apply, select OK. I hope it should be work. Let me open Google Chrome. Let me search google.com. Now it's working. Thank you for watching my video.